I'm here in Cancun, Mexico, and I just finished teaching an intensive with a bunch of guys, and there's one commonality that just about every guy that comes to us has, and that's that they're nice guys. And there's nothing wrong with being nice, being a nice person, but by nice guy, I mean soft and supplicating and not being a challenge. Excuse me, real quick. Hi.
Hi.
I know you're here with your boyfriend because I think I walked by earlier.
Sure.
But I just had to say that you're absolutely adorable.
Thank you.
I had to at least say hi.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Matt.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Emma?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice
She's
to
a
meet
lucky
you.
guy. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
Well, we should keep in touch as, you know, just
I
friends.
do not have a SIM card.
Oh, okay. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have
Okay.
Instagram.
Yeah, here, put your Instagram in.
My Instagram is...
Wait, do you have like 50,000 followers?
I have like 1,000 and something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just making sure, because if I follow you, then you'll never see it and you'll never follow back.
No. So that's my Instagram.
Yep, it's nice meeting you. Yeah, cheers. See ya. Bye. They're able to show their interest in women. They're able to, you know, give a compliment. But the challenging part is oftentimes very difficult for them. And when you meet women, you gotta have that dichotomy of desire and challenge. If you're just all desire, 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 I like you, I like you, I like you, she's gonna lose interest very quickly and be even creeped out because it's too needy, it's too much interest too soon. She didn't have to work for your interest. Therefore, she thinks you're desperate, that you have no options, and what woman wants to be with a guy like that? Hi.
Hi.
I was just sitting at the bar.
Okay.
And you both walked by, and I don't know, I had to risk embarrassment and at least say hi. Hi.
No need to be embarrassed. Hi.
Canadians are always so friendly.
Yes.
I love that.
We're the best.
Remember that being a challenge is a lot more than just asking a qualification question. Right on. Well, before I go, I actually am late for a meeting, but I don't know much about you except that you're from Germany.
Yeah.
Tell me one cool thing about you. In fact, just about all students, when they start, they ask the question, they say the right words, but it's not a qualification question because they're not being a challenge. They're saying, tell me something interesting about you, or can you tell me something cool about you? And that's just a getting to know each other type question. In fact, that's saying, I want to know more about you because I really like you, with that type of tonality like I just did. It's not a challenge. Instead, it needs to be more like, tell me one cool thing about you guys. So I don't know anything about you except you're Canadian.
She's Portuguese. I'm Algerian.
Algerian?
Yeah.
Wow. What kind of trouble are you getting into? Is it a crazy party night, or is
Tomorrow.
it we have to be good and wake up early for an excursion kind of night?
No. We didn't come for excursion. We came to party.
And that's just an example, but the bigger picture is that it's not about that phrase that makes you a challenge, even when you do say it the right way. It's about your attitude, that you have standards, not just for women, but for everybody in your life. And that you don't just let anybody in. That you want to make sure they're your type of person. I just saw you too. And something about your sand all over your face made me have to say hi. Sorry. Super cute.
Okay.
But you're too crazy for me.
Exactly.
You would just take advantage of me. It would be so bad. I know. I know. Some people view being a challenge like you're trying to do some sort of manipulation tactic, like you're trying to get a certain reaction from her, like you're tricking her. And really, that's not how it should be at all. It should be a mindset that you know you're the prize. She might be a prize too. It doesn't mean you think you're better than her or better than anybody, but you just see yourself as worthy of beautiful women. And you love yourself. It's really you bringing people up to your level. It's not about you putting people down and making people feel bad and you're like challenging them to see if they're good enough because, you know, you're trying to make them feel less than. That's not it at all. That is the wrong mindset. You're trying to lift people up. You're trying to find what's great about them and and dig deeper, not just surface level questions. You're digging a little deeper, finding out what motivates them, what inspires them, what are they passionate about, and then that becomes a great topic of conversation. Everybody loves talking about their interests and passions. Hi, this is really random.
Very random so far.
Very random, but I just saw you walking, and I just thought you were really pretty.
Thank you.
I had to at least say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Well, listen, before I go, tell me, I don't know anything about you really, except that you're Canadian, and you seem very adventurous to come to Canada, or to come to Cancun alone. So that's pretty cool. But like, what else? What's something, I don't know, cool about you?
I'm a dancer.
Really? Just for fun?
For a living.
You do it for a living?
Yeah.
Nice. So that's definitely your passion then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Instagram. Okay. Here. All right. Well, it's nice meeting you.
Likewise.
I'll write you, and
Sounds
maybe
good.
we'll grab a drink sometime.
We'll see what.
It's Mexico. Gotta do that.
Here it's Canadian if it's 2 kids.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. See ya. I was just walking by and I saw you and I just thought you're really pretty.
I appreciate that.
That's
You're really
it.
sweet.
And being a challenge isn't something you just do one time in the interaction. It's throughout the entire dating process. Even when you're in a relationship with her, you're still not sure if you want to marry her yet. You spend a few months getting to know each other, maybe living together, and deciding if she is someone you want to take things even further. So the point is, it's not just a question that you ask and then you're done being a challenge. Everything she does, you kind of look at it and be like, are these habits and behaviors that I want in somebody that I want to date? And she's really doing the same thing. She's judging everything that you're doing. So be on your best behavior. And at the same time, you know, even when you're just chatting, or even when you're playing a game with her, or just having a normal conversation with her, you still should always be viewing it through the lens of deciding whether she's someone you want in your life long-term or not. You again. I was totally gonna hit on you again.
I'm worried you were gonna hit on me?
We've seen each other, at least you saw me yesterday, I didn't see you, every single day. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
It's meant to be. We're gonna be friends forever.
There you go.
I want to pay this guy to follow me around, like everywhere, all day. That'd be awesome.
I'm sure he would.
I was walking by and I just saw you here. I just thought I should at least say hi. I thought you were really pretty.
You have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you. I'm Matt.
Tatiana. Every time I go somewhere, I like to find one thing I can like bring back with me. So we're at the beach. Seychelles is
Makes
a good
sense.
thing. But,
What are you guys up to now? We should get a drink.
Just relaxing. Yeah, I
Bring
mean,
your friend.
I'm done.
Yeah, this is a bar right here. Are you going in like that? Oh. Well, you're like heading towards the water.
Because I'm about to fucking charade, man.
Can you give me sex advice?
Yeah, our next YouTube video is how to blow a woman's mind in bed. That's the title.
Oh my god, you just sound like a YouTuber.
So remember, it's of course important to show desire. As long as you do it in the right way, not a way that's creepy or overly needy or invested. A way that shows that you're confident and that you go for what you want and create sexual tension. That will actually turn her on. But if you keep doing that and showing desire, it's gonna turn her off really quickly. So you have to balance that by being a challenge. And it's not just some trick or technique. You need to actually become a challenge. So as a quick exercise, what you can do is write down the qualities that you're looking for in a woman, list between 10 and 20. Some will be deal breakers, some will be nice to haves, and remember that list. Look at that list, memorize it, because that's the woman that you're gonna be looking for. And you're gonna base some of your questions, your qualification questions, based on that list. And then make a second list of 10, at least 10, if not, right, like 50 accomplishments and things that you've done and qualities that you have that you're proud of. And look at that list all the time, because that's gonna make you feel more confident, and that's gonna make you think that you're the prize and really see yourself as being a high status, high value, total 10 man. And if you want my help or my team's help so that you know exactly what to say, and not only know what to say, but how to say it. Because when you start getting positive reactions from women and you start approaching them with ease and without hesitation, and you see their eyes light up and they start chasing you because you're the prize, then your confidence goes through the roof and you start getting more dates than you can handle. If you want my help to show you exactly how to do that, then click the link to the right of the screen or at the bottom in the description and schedule a free consultation. We're very picky about who we work with. We don't work with just anybody, because we only want guys that are action takers and that are driven to succeed. And they know it's gonna take hard work, dedication, and personal responsibility for your success. If you think that's you, then I hope to see you maybe here in Cancun or another workshop or intensive somewhere else in the world. My name is Matt Artisan from The Attracted Man, and I hope to see you soon.